better than your mom's meatloaf. Sorry, not sorry. Stop buying dry cardboard meatloaf. I'm gonna show you how to turn 1 pound of beef into a 4-person feast for $2 a plate. First the secret, soak your panko in milk. This panade keeps the beef tender even if you overcook it. Saute your aromatics, mix gently, don't mash it, and shape that loaf. We're hitting it with a brown sugar and ACV glaze, that's pure fire. While that bakes, rice your potatoes, butter, cream, salt, simple, elegant, elite. Roll that glaze until it's tacky and dark rested. Slice it and realize you've been overpaying for takeout your whole life. Now here's the magic needed for you to make this masterpiece. Panko breadcrumbs and wholemeal, yellow onion and fresh coda. Yellow onion and fresh garlic, glossy potatoes. Starting that stuff in this butter and never cream and cold butter. Slice it and realize you've been overpaying for takeout your whole life. Now here's the magic needed for you to make this masterpiece. Ground beef, panko breadcrumbs and whole milk, yellow onion and fresh garlic. Basil, onion and fresh garlic, lots of potatoes, starting back stuffing this. Butter and heavy cream and cold butter, Rally, sit carefully, cause there comes the blue 3 minutes until bubbling and tacky. Then rest the meat for 10 minutes before slicing to lock in juices. Now if this was too fast, I've got you covered. Just hit that subscribe, and then look here in the comments for the full written deal. Comment if you like it!